Product description: multifunctional wood crusher. In the original basis of the increase of the disc cutting function, in addition to grinding wood, branches, leftover material, wood, cutting feed inlet can be into the Phi 150-250 mm logs and not easy to crush the raw materials. It is mainly used in shaving boards, sawdust boards, biomass pellets, charcoal production, mushroom, and other raw materials processing. The main raw materials for wood crusher are bamboo, thatch, corn stalk, sorghum stalk, small wood, branches, etc. The sawdust crusher is an energy-saving type, small in size, and powerful, and can be used to crush hardwood with a diameter of less than 250 mm into sawdust size 1-40 mm. Feature: 1. Compact structure and considerable layout. 2. Easy to install, operate and maintain. 3. Small size, high production efficiency, low investment, high profit. 4. Product: good quality sawdust, size can be adjusted in the range of 1-10 mm. 5. Long service life, low noise, stable working situation. 6. Can use electrical motor/diesel motor according to customers' needs. 7. Can install the wheels, cyclone, and make other customized designs for customer.